Welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates and you will get interview tips and as well as Udemy premium courses in our channel. So if you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe our channel. So in this video we will discuss about one job notification which has come from VMware. It's a product based company. So they are hiring for BE BTech MEM Tech position, for the developer QE position, for MTS. So they are hiring freshers. So we will discuss in detail in this video. You can stay tuned in this video. Don't skip this video. I will show you how to do the registration for it, and there is no fee required to give this examination. So you can continue with me. Let's start this video. So the job role is there that you will be an active contributor to the day-to-day activities as the system test in Agile or Scrum environment. So you will able to learn Agile and Scrum technology there, design test strategies, write effective test plans, review, triage, test failures. So you will be there a test engineer, system test engineer there, and analyzing quality data, identifying the areas for improvement, and the skills required for VMware off-campus drive is good understanding for application protocols such as HTTP, HTTPS, SSL, DNS, etc. Networking knowledge you have to have, like these application protocols, and through thorough knowledge in TCP/IP protocol, knowledge in firewalls, proxy, load balancer, proficient in automation scripting language like Python, C, C++, etc. So the eligibility criteria they have set is BE BTech or MEM Tech can apply, for the CSC and IT or information security branch can apply. The CGPA minimum required is 70% or 7 CGPA above. Okay, either 7 CGPA or 70% above, it's required. So if you don't have this eligibility criteria, you will not be able to apply for this drive. The graduation year are able to perform or participate in this drive is 2020 and 2021. So those who are graduating in 2021 also can apply. So the preferred qualification is strong verbal written communication skills, self-motivated, strong sense of ownership, be open to continuous learning program, strong passion, experience in troubleshooting, experience on setting up the complex customer configuration. So you can, if you have interest in these things, you can apply for it, and it's a product based company as I have mentioned. So it will be very good opportunity to you and you will get a quite good salary there. So you can see for MTS DevOps QE position they are hiring, and the location of job is Bangalore. As of now you have to do the work from home thing. So you can go through the summary once again. I can share this link in my description box. Now I will show you that how to apply. Okay, so just you have to go to below portion. Here you can see it's a full-time job, and you can go through the apply button here. Just click on apply. It will be redirecting to the registration form. So there you will be able to get the registration form, and you have to fill up. If you have account there, you can sign in, otherwise you have to create your account in the VMware career page. Okay, so just click on create account. As we don't have the account, so you have to create your account with your email address and password. You have to verify your password, then you have to submit the tick mark, the privacy notice, then you have to create the account, then you have to click on sign in. Then you can directly put your email address and password for sign in, and then you can apply. Okay, so it's the process, it's the starting of the process. So then you have to do login and do have to fill the personal information as well as your institutional information as well as your work experience if you have, and then you can apply. So it's a product based company. Salary will be minimum starting from 5 to 7 LPA. So it's a very good opportunity in case of Bangalore. As of now you will get a work from home opportunity. So I will suggest that you can try to apply for this job. So for application there no fee is required, so you can apply. Okay, so if you like this content, you can subscribe our channel and hit the like button for this video because it gives us motivation. Thank you friend, thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video with new job updates.